Are you looking for one central place that covers all of the big upcoming IPOs? If so, you found it. Today we're going to talk about IPOs for the week of July 20th. And starting this week, we're adding our newest feature, coverage on IPO lockup expiration dates. If IPOs are your thing, this video is for you. Kevin here, and I want to welcome you to Healthy, Wealthy, and Wise. Based on the popularity of previous videos covering IPOs, we decided to make this a weekly feature, and we're calling it IPO This Week, where we'll talk about the upcoming initial public offerings that you want to be aware of. And starting today, I'm also going to begin covering IPO lockup expiration dates. For the savvy investors out there, you know these are super important dates you'll want to stay on top of. So I hope you can tell we're making decisions on what to upload based on the likes and comments we receive. So if this is the content you want to see, let me know. You know what to do. As we get into it, keep in mind that some of this information is fluid as the dates and offering sizes often change. What would be awesome is if any one of you sees something that changes from the video to come back and update it in the comments where we could all stay up to date. I'll do my best to do that as well. Also, if you're new here, please know I'm not a financial advisor making any recommendations. What I am hoping to do is save you time by pulling information in from a variety of online sources and sharing it in a convenient way with you. So I hope you'll find it to be a quick and easy way to stay on top of what's going on with IPOs. However, please do your own additional research and consult with your own financial advisor before making any decisions. So this week we have half the number of IPOs we covered last week. On the screen we have the companies and the expected IPO pricing date. Keep in mind the public trading usually begins the next day. If everything holds, most of the action will be in the middle of the week. The big one on the table is Jamf, ticker symbol JAMF. Now that's an easy one to remember. Jamf is a company that provides software for enterprises to remotely deploy Apple devices. Since this will likely be the one with most of the attention this week, we'll come back to Jamf and spend a little more time on it after we talk about some of the others. We'll start with Montrose Environmental Group, ticker MEG, out of Irvine, California. Montrose is an environmental services firm that provides environmental assessment, management, and remediation services. The company plans to raise $160 million by offering 10 million shares with an expected pricing range of $15 to $17, resulting in a $374 million market cap. Montrose has made 53 acquisitions since 2012 and believes that its clean air and water services will see rising demand as more companies adopt corporate social responsibility initiatives. Though it is profitable on EBITDA, it has a history of operating losses and will carry over $300 million in net debt post-IPO. The IPO date looks to be either 7/21 or 7/22, with public trading beginning the next day. Next up is Skillful Craftsman, ticker EDTK. This company is a Chinese microcap that provides online education and technology services in China and is looking to raise $15 million at a $62 million market cap by offering 3 million shares with an expected pricing range of $450 to $550. The company currently provides over 400 vocational training courses in China, and its online education platforms had 60 million registered members and 2.6 million fee-paying members as of September 30th of last year. The IPO date looks to be 7/22, with public trading beginning the next day. We have some subscribers in our community that have done extremely well with Chinese stocks, so while there's a little more you have to look into and consider, it can definitely pay off if you do your homework and make the right picks. We also have a couple of holdovers that we talked about last week. ACell, ticker ACLL, a company that makes surgical soft tissue implants for wounds and hernia repair, and is still looking to raise $75 million at a $366 million market cap in the week ahead. I don't have an expected IPO date as of this recording, but it could be soon. Very soon. The other holdover that we talked about last week is Harbor Custom Development, ticker HCDI, a residential property developer looking to pricing between $6 and $8 per share. Right now we're looking at an IPO date of July 22nd. Okay, let's get back to the company that likely will have most of yours and the investing world's attention this week, Jamf. Jamf, out of Minneapolis, Minnesota, was founded to provide a comprehensive set of services it calls Apple Enterprise Management. The company enables its 40,000 customers in more than 100 countries to more easily integrate all types of Apple products and software into their existing systems without ever having to touch the devices. They offer their product through a subscription revenue model and sell larger accounts through a direct sales force, and then smaller accounts through its online portal. The company is looking to raise $288 million by offering 16 million shares with an expected pricing range of $17 to $19. According to their filing, of the anticipated $288 million they are looking to raise from the IPO, $205 million is directed to paying down debt. So why do I think this is the one to watch this week? Well, tech. In that a tech company that just happens to deal with Apple products, and we know how popular that company is. Jamf sees growth of Mac usage in the corporate world, which along with mobile devices provides the company with a substantial market of customers. On top of that, its offering is the biggest by market cap at over $2.1 billion, so it will get a lot of attention this week. The IPO date looks to be 7/22 with public trading beginning the next day. Now today, our newest feature is going live, but before I get into it, I just want to ask you to hit that like button if you're enjoying the video. It's so important to the channel and it just takes a second for you to do. Done? Okay, on to the new big feature. And that will be me covering upcoming IPO lockup expiration dates. If you watched my last video detailing the IPO process using Albertsons companies as an example, I'm sure you know why knowing these dates are so important when it comes to trading strategies. I won't repeat all of that information here today, so if you missed that video, definitely check it out. I can't promise this list will always be complete. There are so many to keep track of, but I'll do my best, particularly with the major ones. If I miss any, please feel free to update the community by adding them in the comments. So with that big introduction, we actually get to ease into it this week as we only have one, Anpac Biomedical Science, ticker GHIVU, which is an over-the-counter bulletin board stock. Its expiration date is 7/22. I know, all of that promoting of it and it ended up as a dud. We just picked a bad week to get started, but don't worry, we'll have more in the coming weeks that will include much bigger companies. Just remember how important knowing these dates can be. You can build a whole effective trading strategy around it. So what are you thinking about any of these companies? And are you looking to get into one or more of them? Let us know in the comments. And like I said, if you see something that needs updated from the video, please add that in the comments as well to update our community. I want my subscribers to get the information they want and need. And if you're new here and wondering how to join the community, it's super easy. You join by simply subscribing to the channel. After all, it's free. You just got to hit that subscribe button. And to everyone, I hope you all have a great start to your week. As always, I hope that we can all learn from each other on how to take little easy steps in making big improvements on our lives. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day.